學生要注意3樣嘢。第一係 intonation， 呢個係高低音。第二係 coordination， 係連貫性。第三先至講到你嘅 pronunciation， 你嘅發音。嗱，講嘢如果冇高低音，冇連貫性，就唔會有一個好嘅發音。所以呢3樣嘢係相互相成嘅。They are correlated in order to speak a good language. Okay? It's not only English, but even Chinese. Okay? 好似講書一樣啦。如果我冇高低音 ，I'm sure you will doze. Doze 點解？你唔好話我聽嗱，中文、英文 ，you are sleep, you are fishing in class。你唔喺班釣魚啊！如果同外國人講 you are fishing in class， 佢真係覺得你個班房入邊有個 fishing point，they will go fishing。You are dozing in class。dozing 係解咩？打蓋水。咁記得咯，下次唔好講 you are fishing 啊 ，in class you are dozing。OK， 記得呢一個啊，係打蓋水。嗱，有啲 errors， 我哋 expression， 我哋成日用啲中式英文嘅。Christmas 嗰2日，使唔使翻學啊 ？Do you need to go to school at Christmas？ 你冇答我 ，no need。嗱，呢個慣咗啊，香港人好中意講 no need， 呢個係中文嚟嘅。你應該用咩 ？It's not necessary。Need not， 我 do not need to。咁如果喺會話咧，最好用就係 It's not necessary， 係最好嘅。唔好再用 no need 啦 ，It is Chinglish。OK？ 仲有你好中意講嗰啲咧 ，OK 啦嗰啲，係冇嘅。咁如果你真係講唔差咧，用咩 ？Not bad，not bad。OK， 咁好咧 ，not too bad。渣咧 ，not too good。記呢3個 ，not bad 係解 average，not too bad 即係 good， 謙虛啲啊嘛，唔好話 excellent 係嘛，或者 not too good 即係 poor， 記得嘛？咁講嘢你有時呢個技巧㗎 ，right？ 好似我有時同學生講，有時一對一嘅 individual presentation or oral 或者 group discussion， 你可以搶灘。嗱，咩叫搶灘咧？係講一啲嘢唔係叫 dominant 嘅，唔係 dominant 嘅，千祈唔好 dominant， 唔好搶盡我講晒，係技巧地等個 examiner 俾多啲分你，佢會覺得你好 presentable， 講嘢咧得體係叫咩 ？presentable 啊嘛。嗱，你個 question，what do you like to do at leisure？ leisure 後邊唔需要加 time 嘅。如果你真係要加 time， 咪 in your spare time 咯。spare 就跟 time，leisure 唔需要加 time 嘅。咁你應該點答佢咧？嗱，技巧啲。I usually have gathering with friends。咁呢個好似好 common 啦，同朋友聚會，你唔用 gathering， 你咪可以用 get together 咯。I usually have a get together with friends。OK， 咁你要加多，you see， 嗱，你可以用 you see， 即係中國人講，你知啦。Good friends can talk heart to heart and share the same interest。嗱，中文都有啦。朋友最緊要係志趣相投，係坦誠相對，或者坦誠相對，志趣相投。呢個調轉講係冇問題嘅。OK， 你可以話 Good friends can share the same interest and talk heart to heart, or talk heart to heart and share the same interest。呢8個字係好簡單同埋好好。咁你亦都可以加多句。好多時我同啲舊同學都有聚會，可能我哋個年代嘅人係幾重情義。我成日講青年人如果唔識用情義，而家新嘅一代唔好嘅。朋友要嚟做咩 ？They can share the good old days。OK， 咁你可以用 I like to get together with my former classmates。記住，舊同學係叫 former classmates， 舊朋友就 old friends。We can share our good old days。嗱，記住 ，old 就係 friends， 就唔好用 my friend is old 啊。old friends 係老朋友 ，my friends are old 就講年紀大啦。嗱，有時英文咧 position of words 都好緊要嘅，將個字擠喺邊度，個意思已經完全係 different 噶啦。OK， 咁個第3咧，有啲字好多學生會係 mispronounce 嘅，即係讀錯。嗱，有時用字知啊 ，pronounce 係 mispronounce， 唔係 unpronounce 啊，用 prefix 用得啱啊。不 不過今日我唔係講到 prefix 呢個環節，加咗個 mis， 加咗個 un， 加咗個 this， 會 give opposite meaning。但係世事無絕對㗎。如果你會話世事無絕對係咩 ？Nothing is absolute。Nothing is absolute， 係咪好似呢？好簡單會講出嚟喎。Nothing is absolute， 你咪繼續講啊。譬如 verb 呢個字，你成日會讀 increase， 冇錯啊。Price increases 呢個動詞，但係 mind you， 如果你係用 noun 咧，咁你要讀點讀啊？The increase of price， 冇讀 increase 喎 ，increase。嗱呢一個咧喺 exam 入邊好多學生因為讀錯呢個音喺名詞嗰陣時就被扣分啦。所以記住，當你用名詞嘅時候咧，你讀 increase， 唔好再讀 increase 啊。increase 只不過係動詞嚟啫，係 verb。OK， 第二個嗱，譬如買嘢 ，we purchase goods 係 verb，purchase 咪即係 consume 咯，或者 buy 咯。但係 noun 咧，名詞咧 ，the purchase of goods，the purchase。verb 係 purchase，noun 係 purchase， 能夠意到？嗱最 common 嘅有一個，我哋每個人而家好 common，OK 都會買保險嘅。新嘅一代咧，佢都有個危機感嘅 ，OK？They would buy insurance， 唔好讀 insurance。我聽到好多香港人都會讀 insurance， 錯嘅。個 stress 應該喺度 insurance。仲有你入錢去一個自動販賣機嘅，譬如你地鐵唔記得帶 octopus， 你唔係 put a coin， 係 insert a coin in the vending machine。所以 insurance insert 你要記得呢兩個字係好清楚個 stress 喺邊度，喺你個 pronunciation， 咁就唔會錯啦。OK， 好似中文一樣係有 noun 同 verb 唔同讀嘅。例如你係咪廣東人啊？係咪廣東省啊？咁廣東省呢個係名詞，做人要反省呢個係動詞，唔會讀反省嘅。Understand？所以任何一個語文 ，English or Chinese，verb 同 noun 個讀法都有 alterations 嘅，都有 difference 嘅。OK？